when door A closes, door B opens. So guys, in this episode, I want to show you guys how I moved from this to this and finally to this. So sit back and relax. Hello guys, welcome back to Amoke Vlogs. This is the #1 events, travel and adventure YouTube channel. I hope you are doing great as I am also doing okay. So guys, over a period of several weeks or months, there has been a lot of activity going behind the scenes. So guys, as you can remember, I've been working on a particular series of owning a container home. Part 1, you saw that we went and checked out the containers, and we were able to get more information regarding how the containers are made and the process of ownership. Part 2, you saw that we went out and found land, and we were prepping the land so that by the time we get the container, the land will be ready. So this part is another series I'm now updating you on progress after the several weeks that I've been missing in action. So guys, I have bad news. I let go of my container home.
What?
I know most of you were happy about this project and they were following up keenly to know how the project was going on, but unfortunately, I let go of my container home. So apparently, prices of containers globally rose. The demand rose because of COVID-19. So this cost went up before I was able to make a deposit to my container home, and I could no longer afford it. So I thought it was wise to let it go instead of trying to be in debt. So guys, all in all, I still believe one day I'll get a container home because I'm so passionate about them, and because they are quick, they are easy to assemble, they are portable, and so many other advantages. Always remember to leave a like, leave a comment, share, and subscribe to Amoke Vlogs. Let me show you the journey of how I got here. So guys, today we are bringing in sand. I've gotten delivery of the cement, so I've gotten 100 bags of cement. Hope this will be enough. These are 80 and 20 are already at the site ready for use today. The work is going on. They have managed to erect all this steel work here. So the purpose of this is to give a firm foundation for the fence or even the house. So once these are done, they will pour in for the sand, a mix of sand, stone and cement to make it permanently on the ground. Steel is not cheap. Steel is not cheap. These things have costed me, but thank God work is going on. I hope we'll be able to do what I was set to do today. Yeah, and this is how things are. Over a few months or a few weeks ago, behind the scenes, there has been a lot going on. I've been moving around sourcing for materials. I've been sourcing for cement. I've been sourcing for foundation stones. I've been sourcing for bricks. I've been sourcing for a gate. I've been sourcing for fundis. I've been sourcing for ballast. I've been sourcing for sand, dust, steel, piping, and so many things. Guys, today I can be a contractor. Having moved around and tried to source out these things so that I could eliminate middlemen, I've gotten some experience. I hope you can see me. Yeah, it's late in the evening. It's about 7 p.m. So I went to take back the wheelbarrow I had borrowed from a neighbor. By the way, guys, when you're constructing, most of these worksmen or most of the fundis, they just come empty-handed with just some simple tools that enable them to work. Things like drums for storing water, things like wheelbarrows, things like hammers, those things you have to provide. So that's the lesson I've learned. But thank God I have some good neighbors here who are willing to give a helping hand, and work is progressing. So guys, this is not an easy task, but I thank God today we have worked. We have laid all the foundation stones up to about 4 courses. Yeah, and I'm very, very happy that now the fence is taking shape.
The next day.
Welcome home. So guys, this is the site that we are prepping on the previous video. As you saw last time, today it looks kind of different. Look at that area. Last time we were here slashing and burning bushes here. I had some trees here which I can no longer see. I'm wondering where they went. Anyway guys, so as I was telling you, on the 2 episodes, owning a container home, part 1 and part 2, you saw that in part 1 we went about whereby we went to check out containers, and we went to do more inquiry regarding how to purchase and what the container will come with. However guys, in part 2 you saw that we found land and we are preparing it so that the container can come sit here when the place is ready. However, bad news is I changed my mind. As you can see, this is the same place we are preparing, but it has changed. I decided to do a perimeter wall and do a small house here to represent the container. Actually, it's almost the size of the container, but a little bit bigger, 31 feet by 15 feet. So guys, come, I give you some house tour. So when you come to my house, this is a wall. You cannot come through here. Just imagine there's a wall. So here is the main door. So it's a 2-roomed house. Here's the main door. When you walk in, you come into sitting area with an open kitchen. So this is the sitting area. I'll place my 72-inch TV here, and so this will be an open kitchen with cardboards here, the cabinets, cooking area, a window will be here. Then when you come this side, this will be the door to the master bedroom. This will be the master bedroom. So when you come in here, this will be a bedroom, and this will be washroom, where will be toilet and bathroom. So when you come deeper into this master bedroom, you will find a walk-in closet. So this is a closet whereby you open the door and walk in. And walk in. So guys, let me get out and show you something. Remember, there's a wall here, so I have to go back. So I'm through the door and I am outside. So guys, when you come outside, I've put in a latrine whereby visitors or anybody who want to use toilet, instead of them going through my bedroom, they can come here. So when you get out here, you'll find a toilet here. It will be flushable and very nice. So this is the toilet also that I will use in future for my fundis who will be constructing my house. So guys, the space you see there, this is where I'm planning to build my dream house there. So my dream house is a flat roof, and I opted to go with flat roof because it's modern and stylish, and I like the feeling of having a place to breeze on top of your house. So guys, here is where I'll build my dream home, God willing. Anyways guys, thank you for following this series of owning a container home, even though I did not come to actualize it, but I believe there's always a next time. So guys, if you feel you can help Amoke Vlogs to own a container home, feel free to share your thoughts about this series. Always remember to leave a like, leave a share, comment, and subscribe to Amoke Vlogs. See you on the next video.